Hello everyone, my name is Justin. I'm from Darkstar Media. I put together a quick little tutorial to show you how to change a WordPress page link, also known as its slug or permalink or the URL. And I'm going to show you for both Gutenberg and Classic Editor. And why would you do that? Well, sometimes you may want to have an easy to say URL when you want to share your website with somebody, like www.mywebsite.com/store. Very easy to share that and people will be able to figure that out. Another reason to do it, and the reason I frequently do it, is after I do SEO research, I want to get the keywords in my page names. So every time I optimize a page, I make sure that keyword is in the URL. So we're going to show you both Gutenberg and Classic Editor. So as you see on my screen here, I have Gutenberg Editor open for the About Us page. And let's get started. On the right-hand side here, we have page block. If you don't have that, up here on the top, we have settings that'll toggle this on or off. And if we scroll down, we'll see link here, and then it says /About Us. We can just click on the /About Us. This opens up this new window, and we can add our new address there. We close it, and you'll notice now the link says about-us-keyword. You may notice that I didn't actually put the dash between us and keyword, but WordPress did it automatically. It won't let you have blank spaces in the name. So after I've done that, let's hit save and then view page. And here we go. Here's our new page link, about-us-keyword. Let's go back to edit the page. Oh, let's close this window. And we can even change it back again. Let's get rid of the dash keyword. Click save, view the page, and here we go, about-us. Now this applies to both pages and posts equally. So let's go to the WordPress admin here. Let's go to plugins and let's activate our Classic Editor just so I can do the Classic Editor demo here. So now that this is on, we're going to do the next demo with posts. We have one post here, hello world. Let's click in and you'll see a completely different interface. What we're going to be focusing on here is permalink, right here underneath the title. This is our page link. And there's a little edit button here. So let's click edit, put space, keyword, we click OK, we click update, and now let's view our post. So hello world keyword. Let's go back to edit. And that's how you do it in Classic Editor. Really easy, right? Now I'm going to show you a shortcut that works for both. If we click on the list of pages here, we can hover over the title and you'll see a new menu appears. Edit, quick edit, trash, view. Let's click quick edit. Now here we have slug. Now we can make the same change right here. Click update. Let's see if it took. It did. About us keyword. This will also apply to posts. You just hover over, quick edit, click update, and that's it. Pretty easy, eh? Now one thing WordPress won't let us do is have two pages with the exact same link or URL that are on the same level. Now you can do this with blog posts that are in different categories. I don't recommend it though. Always uniquely name your pages is the best recommendation I can do. But if you have to do it, like for example, you might have a subcategory or a category called, store, and you want to have another about page under the store, you can technically do it, but yeah, please don't do that. But you may notice sometimes a lot of WordPress pages will have a -1 or -2 behind it. And a lot of times this can happen from having two pages with the exact same name. So right now we have About Us, right? And the slug is About-Us. Now let's add a new page. Call this one About Us as well. You know, by default, WordPress will just take your title and just add dashes between the words. And that's how it'll make the URL. Let's hit publish here. And you'll see we got About-Us-2. That's because we already had the About Us page. And it's not going to let us duplicate it on the same level. So just edit it as you see fit. Hit update. And there we go. So we got About Us keyword. And then up here, About Us. So that is how you change your WordPress page link. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comments. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.